Okay, today I am still in my school clothes, and today I will be repairing some slime. I have good lighting because I have my lighting today, and I also have my camera holder, so clap. So we will be repairing some slime. So this is one of those times, it stretches, but like that, I don't want this. And look, it has all these big old clumps. I have it's like clear lotion. It's called Majestic lotion. You can get it from Walmart, Target, Walgreens, or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and add that into the slime. Also got some of these Laffy Tappies. Comment down below if you like Laffy Tappies. Just comment on Laffy Tappies. If y'all couldn't understand me, just comment down below. Laffy Tappy. Y'all see me struggle right now. This is life when I struggle. I struggle a lot. I have a lot more Majestic lotion. I also using the white lotion just because it's going to make it stretchier. This one is going to get all the clumps out. So I'm going to go ahead and spread all this. There's even more. Let me add it. Okay. Guys, you know I added that. So, yeah. Y'all can't understand me. I'm sorry. You know my saying, go ahead and turn your camera over. Okay. So I think this thing is ready. Still isn't, but well, I'm gonna let that sit for a little and mix in all this magenta lotion so we can get that over with. And I'm about to struggle again. Oh, who is this behind me? So it's just little Jade. If you don't know who Jade is, go check out my page. He's almost in all of my videos. Also, go check out my Musical.ly. If it's not linked down below, just comment down below. Not linked down below. Or just go look it up as Lola Tillman. I have 3, so go follow all 3. I might have 4. I don't know. Because I had 2 phones and I have it on my dad's phone. You know what? Just go follow me. Just go follow my page right now. I think I have 13 followers and fans. I'm following 13. I want to make it equal with somebody else is following me. So So I'm working just a little bit and making the texture way more better. I also have some hot water. Basically, it's warm. I kind of heat it up. But I was thirsty, so drunk up. So I'll be adding this water. Okay. Zoom up close for you guys. And let me come right back. Shake that left it, tap it. Okay. Half of this video is only about me opening the left tapping. But you know what? It's still about the base. Well, the title. Fixing the slime. Alright, this is my slime. I'm not a fan of slime. I'm sorry, fans. I guess I will be asking. I said my fans can. And yes, today is the week that my fans can bring me slime shop, slime, and all that. It's getting so stretching. It's getting so stretching. I'm like, it's amazing right now. Okay, definitely all the clumps are coming out. It just came out of a stretch ball. This cloud one. I added the snow to it. And not on my musical page or my YouTube page. I added them in that. So, I'm flattening it. The little ball. Pour in some water. And I'm gonna let it dissolve in over 2 hours or 3. Moving on to the next. Sorry about the noise. Sorry. This looks like a taco. Oops. Sorry. Wow, look at this. Look, the water's going back in the holes. I'll be right back while it dissolves. Alright. It's been 55 minutes. Oh. 5 more minutes till it's done, but it should have dissolved already. Yes, it is dried. It's a good thing. I don't know why I wanted to dissolve it, but it's a good idea. Karina Garcia said that. I think. I don't know who said that. Karina Garcia, if not, you don't make a big deal out of it, please. It makes it like a nasty sponge. But yeah, because I first tried in it. Wow. I can tell you the dissolving really helps. Still some pieces in there though. Alright. Moving on. I'm not gonna say what I just put in there. It's like a secret ingredient that I put in all of my slimes to make it pop. This one probably won't because it's a clay type of slime. It's like a dish soap. It's a good brand of dish soap. I'm gonna let y'all guess. Comment down below what it is if you know. By the way, like I use it in my other slimes. And it's the same one. I still have it. Yes, I do. Oh, I forgot about this. So, once you add your lotion, which I am doing right now, if it comes out, like, seriously, it doesn't even come out yet. Like, seriously. I've been waiting all this time. My video's gonna be so long. Well, guess what? That was the end. Because it's stretching, whatever. No, it's not. Gotcha. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat up some water. So I'll come right back. So it is pretty warm. It's burning my fingers. Go ahead and stick out slime in there. It's also kind of gross, I can tell you that. Ooh, this is making it way better. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. This is such good slime now. It's like I bought this from a slime shop. I can never make this type of slime. So this is actually a butter and a cloud, right? Yeah. On the package it says butter/cloud. I'm gonna say it's a cloud because look at the way it stretches. It breaks apart a little bit, you know. If you see a little more little lumps, it's just something that I cut up to put in there to make it like super stretchy. And it's like a tablet or something. I went ahead and put that in there, and I mean, this is amazing. I didn't even need that. So yes, it's clearly cloud slime. Yes, it sure was. This is amazing. Okay, guys, that's the end of my video. It was 14 minutes, kind of over my limits. But I'll be seeing you guys later. I will be in another video. It might be satisfying. It might not be. It might be a lot of talking. It might be fixing some slime or anything else that I want to do with my slime. So I'll be back. I'll see y'all later. Probably in 2 more minutes. Because I'm about to make another one. So, bye. See ya. Love ya. And I'll see ya.